This is the ORDRO 4K video camera that you can wear, or you can attach it to a tripod as well. It assembles easily to a headband, and you can adjust that. Hopefully you can get it level. One thing I would like to see improved would be if it had a horizon steady feature like some action cameras have. Comes with a little remote that you can either put on this wristband or attach to a lanyard using this thing here. The camera comes with an app, or you can download an app to your phone that allows you to change settings in it, set the date, that type of thing, as well as to control the camera. You can control it either with the Wi-Fi app or with this little unit here, but you'll need the app in order to change any settings in the camera, such as the resolution, whether you want to shoot slow motion, time-lapse, and that type of thing. It records good audio along with video. I did find, though, on a windy day that it did pick up a lot of wind noise when I was facing certain directions. Well, let's walk out here and look at some of the flowers that are still blooming as fall is falling.